Hey, welcome to this video. In this video title, Unlock the Secrets to Building a Highly Profitable Digital Consulting Business from Scratch. Even if you're starting from zero experience, if you've never done a video online, if you never made any money online, even if you are at that stage, I want to personally invite you to be part of a unique community that teaches skills and strategies that will get you to where you want to be in terms of selling your expertise. And even if you don't know what to sell, even if you have no clue what to build, what offer to bring to the marketplace, then do not worry because we'll help you get one. And not just that, but we help you identify a big problem that you can solve and build a profitable education business without even creating any product from the start. So profiting without creating a product just yet. I know you're ready to change your life. So I will leave below a link where you can schedule a time with me so we can learn more about each other. I can learn more about you and see if I can help you get to where you want to be. And most importantly, what we teach is we teach you how to build something that is valuable to the marketplace. Click on the link below, schedule a call. You have nothing to lose, only to gain. Looking forward to seeing you on the other side.